Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Arena. If you're new here, I am a real estate agent in Oregon, and on my channel we talk all about real estate. Now this week I am just getting over being sick, so it's going to be just super short and sweet. I'm going to give you guys a quick update on my YouTube studio. If you have seen some of my previous vlogs, you'll know that we have been working on transforming our basement space into a studio for me, which I'm really excited about. My amazing husband has finished grinding down these cinder block walls in order to get them straight so that we can have a good canvas for covering them with white skim coat, which is what you will see behind me. What I was also hoping to do in this video is ask you guys for your advice and your creativity about what the studio should look like. So right now we just have sort of this white canvas to work with. Should we paint these walls a different color? Should we put up shiplap, which is kind of what we were thinking about doing? I'll put up a picture of what I was thinking up on the screen. What should it look like? What should the background look like? Should I have some plants, some shelves, or should it just be plain, just the wall and me and that's it? What are your ideas? What are your thoughts? I would love to hear from you in the comments down below so that I can make the studio look nice so that you guys enjoy the new background. As our work on the studio progresses, I will definitely be vlogging it and taking you guys behind the scenes, showing you exactly what we're doing in order to create this space. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm excited to finally have the finished project. Hopefully sometime very soon I will have a consistent studio background setup so that every video will look very similar and will have a nice professional background. All right, enough chit chat. I am going to include some footage of us working on the actual studio, so I hope you enjoy. All right, you guys, we are cleaning up. We're taking all of this stuff upstairs, outside, and back into the shed. Oh, that already looks kind of cool. I love these beams up here. I might have showed them in a previous vlog, maybe not, but we just have these navy I-beams that we painted when we were doing remodel, and this wood up here is stained, and we've got some LED lights inside of the beams, so it looks really nice. It's really the only finished portion of this basement space. So this is where I will be. This wall behind me is going to be my background, my sort of studio corner right here. Let me turn you guys around. So any of your ideas for this space right here would be much appreciated. I will be situated somewhere here, so I'm just trying to figure out what to do with this wall. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like. Definitely leave your comments down below on what you think this studio should look like. Any of your ideas, your creativity, everything will be much appreciated. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ArenaD if you want to see more from me, and definitely subscribe to join me weekly for new videos. All right, you guys, I'll see you next week. Bye.